If you don't know how to sidechain in Ableton, then you have come to the right place. So without wasting time, let's move to the screen. Here we have kick sample. And the second one is MIDI, which is a bass line. Now here click on audio effects. And here we take this compressor and drag it and drop on bassline. Now click on this rectangle shape icon. And click on sidechain. In the sidechain options, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled Audio From. Select the track that you want to use as the trigger. Here is the kick. Lower the threshold slider. This controls the level at which the compressor starts to reduce the gain. The lower the threshold, the more compression is applied. Adjust the ratio slider to set how much compression is applied. Common settings for sidechaining are around 4:1 to 10:1. Adjust the attack and release times. A fast attack time ensures the compressor reacts quickly to the trigger, while the release time controls how quickly the compression stops after the trigger signal drops below the threshold. Typical settings might be: attack, 1 to 10 milliseconds. Release, 100 to 300 milliseconds. Now we check the result.